Yo, AI Wranglers. Before we jump into this epic local AI showdown, please hit that like and subscribe button. It keeps my virtual coffee pot brewing and these faceless reviews loaded with zing. Ditched cloud AI because it's creepier than a nosy neighbor spying on your midnight taco runs? Time to run heavy-hitting LLMs like Llama or Mistral on your own machine. Meet GPT4All and Ollama, the quirky duo of local AI. One's your chill desktop buddy, the other's a terminal-dwelling speed freak. I've been tinkering with both, and picking a winner is like choosing between tacos and pizza. Both slap, but for different moods. Let's dive in with some humor and hard facts. GPT4All, cooked up by Nomic AI, is the people's champ for AI newbies. Grab the app for Mac, Windows, or Linux, snag models, 3 to 8 gigabytes via its slick GUI, and you're chatting, summarizing PDFs, or RAG querying docs offline faster than you can say, no cloud, no problem. It runs on potato-tier hardware. Think 8 gigabytes RAM MacBooks hitting 12 tokens per second on Apple Silicon. No GPU required. Your data stays locked down, with an opt-in data lake for model tweaks, and its 250,000-strong community, GitHub stars out the wazoo, keeps it buzzing. Downsides? It's slower than rivals on big models, and streaming can glitch when paired with web UIs. Think of it as your friendly uncle, cozy, reliable, but not winning any drag races. Ollama, on the other hand, is the coder's dark horse, a free open-source CLI beast. Mac/Linux shine, Windows improving. Type Ollama run Llama 3, pull models from Ollama Hub or Hugging Face, and bam! You're rolling with custom model files. It's lightning fast, sips resources via llama.cpp, 12 tokens per second on M1s, and its API is a dev's dream for scripting bots or edge device magic. Fully private, zero latency, and scales like a champ. Cons? No native GUI. Terminal phobes beware. And NVIDIA GPU support lags behind Apple's Metal Magic. It's the cool coder who ghosts if you don't speak Bash. Verdict. GPT4All's your go-to for casual dock diving on weak rigs. Ollama's the pick for speedy dev workflows or IoT projects. Why choose? Dual-wield 'em. GPT4All for chill vibes, Ollama for the grind. Drop your fave in the comments. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more tech tussles.